Tropical rainforests usually get an average of about 50 to 260 inches of rainfall year-round. The temperature rarely gets above 93 degrees or drops below 68 degrees. Humidity ranges between 77 and 88%, and there is usually a brief period of less rain. Most of Earth's rainforests are located in Central America, Africa, Southern Asia, and Australia. As you travel down the layers of the tropical rainforest, the height of the plants and trees decrease. Due to lack of light, few bushes and herbs are able to grow on the forest floor. Over 2,500 species of vines grow in the rainforest, growing from one tree to another and making up 40% of the canopy. Common characteristics between the mammals and the birds in the rainforest include adaptations to a life in the trees, bright colors, sharp patterns, and a diet heavy on fruits. Once covering about 14% of Earth's surface, tropical rainforests today only cover about 6%.